A surgical mask, also known as a medical face mask, is a personal protective equipment worn by health professionals during medical procedures. It prevents airborne transmission of infections between patients and/or treating personnel by blocking the transmission of pathogens shed in respiratory droplets and aerosols into and from the wearer's mouth and nose, typically quite impermeable to moisture. The mask act as an additional barrier for the airway and are not usually designed. Surgical masks were originally designed to protect medical personnel from accidentally breathing or swallowing in splashes or sprays of bodily fluids. But the effectiveness of surgical masks against influenza-like infections has not been confirmed by high-quality randomized controlled trials. Commonly seen surgical masks vary greatly by quality and levels of protection. Despite their name, not all surgical masks are appropriate to be used during surgery. Surgical masks may be labeled as surgical, isolation, dental or medical procedure masks. Chinese health officials distinguish between medical and surgical masks. Surgical masks are made of a non-woven fabric created using a melt-blowing process. They came into use in the 1960s and largely replaced cloth face masks in developed countries. The dark blue layer on the inside, with respect to some infections like influenza, surgical masks could be as effective as respirators, such as N95 or FFP masks, though the latter provide better protection in laboratory experiments due to their material shape and tight seal. The use of surgical masks during the COVID-19 pandemic has been a subject of debate, as mask shortage is a central issue. Surgical masks are popularly worn by the general public all year round in East Asian countries like China, Japan and South Korea, especially during allergy and flu seasons, to reduce the chance of spreading airborne diseases to others, and to prevent the breathing in of airborne irritants such as pollens or dust particles created by air pollution. Additionally, surgical masks have become a fashion statement, particularly in contemporary East Asian culture, bolstered by its popularity in Japanese and Korean pop culture, which have a big impact on East Asian youth culture. A surgical mask, by design, does not filter or block very small particles in the air that may be transmitted by coughs, sneezes, or certain aerosol-generating medical procedures. Surgical masks also do not provide complete protection from germs and other contaminants because of the often loose fit between the surface of the face mask and the face. A surgical mask is a disposable device that creates a physical barrier between the respiratory tract openings. Surgical masks also remind wearers not to touch their mouth or nose, which could otherwise transfer viruses and bacteria after having touched a contaminated surface. A surgical mask is not to be confused with a respirator and is not certified as such. Surgical masks are not designed to protect the wearer from inhaling airborne bacteria or virus particles and are less effective than respirators, which are designed for this purpose. Collection efficiency of surgical mask filters can range from less than 10% to nearly 90% for different manufacturers' masks when measured using the test parameters for NIOSH certification. However, a study found that even for surgical masks with good filters, 80 to 100% of subjects failed an OSHA-accepted qualitative fit test, and a quantitative test showed 12 to 25% leakage. Modern surgical masks are made from paper or other non-woven material and should be discarded after each use. The design of the surgical masks depends on the mode. Usually, the masks are 3-ply. This 3-ply material is made up of a melt-blown polymer, most commonly polypropylene, placed between non-woven fabric. The melt-blown material acts as the filter that stops microbes from entering or exiting the mask. Pleats are commonly used to allow the user to expand the mask such that it covers the area from the nose to the chin. The masks are secured to the head with ear loops, head ties, or elastic straps. Filter material in the middle layer may be made of microfibers with an electrostatic charge. That is, the fibers are electrets. An electret filter increases the chances that smaller particles will wear and hit a fiber, rather than going straight through. While there is some development work on making electret filtering materials that can stand being washed and reused, current commercially produced electret filters are ruined by many forms of disinfection, including washing with soap and water or alcohol, which destroys the electric charge. During the COVID-19 pandemic, public health authorities issued guidelines on how to save, disinfect and reuse electret filter masks without damaging the filtration efficiency. Standard disposable surgical masks are not designed to be washed. Performance of surgical masks is evaluated based on such parameter.